In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and disconnected from ourselves. We're constantly bombarded with information and demands on our time. This can take a toll on our mental and physical well-being. But there's a simple yet powerful practice that can help us find balance and cultivate inner peace: meditation. Meditation is more than just sitting still and closing your eyes. It's about creating space for yourself, quieting the constant chatter of the mind, and connecting with your inner self. It's about being present in the moment and cultivating a sense of awareness and acceptance. The benefits of meditation are numerous and well documented. Studies have shown that regular meditation can reduce stress, improve focus, enhance emotional well-being, and even promote physical health. And the best part? It's accessible to everyone, regardless of age, background, or experience. Meditation significantly reduces stress. It activates the body's relaxation response, lowering stress hormones like cortisol. This leads to less anxiety, better sleep, and a sense of calm. Meditation enhances focus and concentration. It trains our minds to stay present and let go of distractions. Emotional well-being is also improved. Regular meditation fosters self-awareness, emotional regulation, and compassion. It benefits physical health, lowering blood pressure and boosting the immune system. In addition to taking care of our mental well-being through practices like meditation, it's equally important to nourish our bodies with healthy food. And one of the simplest yet most effective ways to do this is by packing our own lunches. When we pack our lunches, we have complete control over the ingredients, portions, and nutritional value of our meals. This is in stark contrast to eating out, where we often face limited healthy options and portions that are larger than what we need. Packing our lunches also allows us to be more mindful of our eating habits. When we take the time to prepare our food, we're more likely to make healthier choices and savor our meals. This can lead to better digestion, increased energy levels, and a healthier relationship with food. And let's not forget the financial benefits of packing our lunches. Eating out regularly can put a significant dent in our wallets. Packing our lunches, on the other hand, is a much more budget-friendly option that can save us money in the long run. Section 4. Creating delicious and nutritious lunches. Tips and ideas. Packing a healthy lunch doesn't have to be time-consuming or complicated. Start with a base like a salad, whole grain wrap, or leftovers. Add colorful vegetables like leafy greens, bell peppers, and cucumbers. Include lean proteins like chicken, beans, lentils, or tofu. Incorporate healthy fats with avocado, nuts, seeds, or olive oil. Don't forget a serving of fruit for a sweet treat. Section 5. Meditation and healthy eating, a powerful combination for weight management. When it comes to managing our weight, meditation and healthy eating can work together synergistically. Meditation can help us develop a healthier relationship with food and become more aware of our hunger and fullness cues. Often we eat for reasons other than physical hunger, such as stress, boredom, or emotional triggers. Meditation can help us identify these emotional eating patterns and develop healthier coping mechanisms. By becoming more attuned to our body's signals, we can learn to eat when we're truly hungry and stop when we're satisfied. Combined with a balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean protein, and whole grains, meditation can support healthy weight management by promoting mindful eating, reducing stress-related overeating, and fostering a greater sense of self-awareness. It's important to remember that weight management is not about deprivation or quick fixes. It's about making sustainable lifestyle changes that support our overall health and well-being. Section 6. Small steps, big impact. Embrace the journey to a healthier, happier you. Incorporating meditation and healthy eating into our lives may seem like small changes, but they can have a profound impact on our overall health and well-being. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. Start by setting realistic goals for yourself. If you're new to meditation, begin with just a few minutes each day and gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable. And instead of overhauling your entire diet overnight, focus on making small, sustainable changes, like packing your lunch more often or incorporating more fruits and vegetables into your meals. Celebrate your successes along the way, no matter how small they may seem. Each healthy choice you make is a step in the right direction, and remember to be patient with yourself. creating lasting change takes time and effort. By embracing the power of meditation and healthy eating, we can cultivate a greater sense of peace, health, and happiness in our lives.